Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case that's your first time to see my face, my name is Becky and welcome to my channel. So guys, first I want to thank those who have subscribed to my channel. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing, and those who haven't subscribed, kindly may you do the same. Subscribe, like, comment, and also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, in today's video I'm going to cook. So let's go and see what I'm cooking. So guys, I have here red onions, cabbage, carrots, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, then chicken, corn flour, salt for taste, garlic, oil, and also pasta. So guys, let's see how to cook this chicken cumin. So first I'm gonna add corn flour, salt, little bit, then oil, and mix it. So after mixing, I'm going to fry with oil, this pan. So let's do it. Guys, we're gonna take the chicken breast and put it in the hot oil. So guys, that's the end of it. So please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and also like. Hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And also remember to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.